Welcome to the channel. Today, we are going to show you a simple way to personalize your Botim chats by setting a custom chat background using any photo from your phone. This feature makes your conversations more visually appealing. First, open the Botim app on your phone. Once it's open, look at the top right and tap on your profile photo. Next, in the profile menu, find and click on the option labeled Chat and Call. Then, look for the chat background option and click on it. After that, select Choose Photo, which allows you to browse the gallery on your phone. Choose the photo you want to set as your chat background. Finally, click on Choose to confirm your selection and apply the background to your chats. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.